completely forgot to start recording, but a couple casts in, I got a decent smallie. Not big, not small, but on the gold maps, this thing is so old it only has one treble hook. One hook on the treble hook, but nice fish. I'm gonna get a picture and then I'm gonna let it go. This is my first smallie in a while. That's what I like to see. The water's pretty cold, but I casted right in front of that stick over there. Came out and hammered. I wish I got that on camera. I almost fell down there, but a little bit, like a couple hundred feet down the bank with the whopper flopper. Should have the fire out right now, but that's back in the car. Alright, now, if I don't get tangled, this should be a fish. I said should, not will. But look at how clear this water is. Like, I'm not really sure what to use. It's clear water, but probably should be throwing a crayfish right now. My phone is ringing off the hook right now. Probably people on group chats telling me happy birthday. How is there no fish at that structure? This is a beautiful river though. Tioga. It's not too far away from the Tioga spillway. That's where I originally wanted to go, but then we saw this on the way, so we stopped here. And it paid off, didn't get skunked. Caught one smallmouth so far. If I don't catch a fish on this structure, I'm probably gonna go to the spillway, because I haven't fished spillways like almost ever, and I really want to. And it's my birthday. Got one. Oh yeah, he's a jumper. Oh yeah. Yes, I love this. In the net. Yes, sir. That's a nice smallie. He was not coming off either. Yeah. Beautiful golden smallie. Probably the biggest smallie of the year so far. Now, I'm gonna get a picture for Fish Angler and then get it right back in there. Yes. This is awesome. Only two fish, but they're both around this size. First one was over there, and the second one here, you saw. Nice. I love, nothing beats a good topwater blow up. Yes! Thank you, Lord, for this day. This is an awesome birthday fishing trip. You guys, I just got this net for my birthday, and it's awesome. I love it. I'm getting a little bit water in my boots. Step back a little. And this is the whopper flopper I'm using. I'm not sure the exact size, but it's gold and, silver and black. Silver on the bottom, black on the top. It's a Berkeley Chapo, and this thing works. Look at the bottom of this. Hook rash. I've been using this a lot. And this is also what I've been using at Brugwin's Pond to catch all the little largies. Yeah, for some reason, sometimes my GoPro settings just reset, and then it doesn't record sound, and I hate that. It is so frustrating. That's what happened to the last video. Two fish, two different baits. We got one on topwater and then one on the maps. Pretty good day so far. We're only like, I don't even know, like 45 minutes in, two fish, maybe an hour. No, more like 45 minutes. I suck at keeping track of time. So, yeah, that last video was crazy. Catching 45 plus fish in one day. I'll put it in the link in the description if you want to watch it. They were all tiny, but 45 fish are 45 fish. And they're mostly on topwater, which is insane. Please comment down below if you like to have an intro or no? It's easier not to have an intro, but I like just to get straight to fishing. But just comment down below if you like intro or no intro. I'm pushing the limits to my reach right now. Or pretty much to the top. Can do anything for a massive, amazing topwater blow up, just like that last one. You know what would be helpful right now? A kayak. A kayak would be really nice right now. Or waders. It's crazy how many snags I've gotten snagged onto this with this whopper flopper and still recovered it. Might be getting a little bit of water in my boots, but my right shoulder is starting to hurt from carrying my tackle box. Oh! Right when I started complaining. Better get right back at that. Over there. Release again. Come on, that really surprised me. I was out of it. I do really want to catch a smallmouth on a fly. I've never done that. If the fly rod was not at the car, I would be using it. It feels like I caught 3 or 4 fish, but only caught 2. That's when you know it was a good day. Alright, so I'm at the spillway. Oh! Something hit it. Something hit it. I was not expecting that. That was early. That was like 4th cast. Dang, that really surprised me. That was really fast. And that was definitely a fish. It was not a snag or anything. Hey, when you don't know if rocks are sturdy or not, you just step on it and risk it. Every single rock you step on, you're not sure. Oh yeah. What the heck is this? Smallie. No, it's a rock bass. Rock bass on a whopper flopper goes crazy. It's a beautiful rock bass. Get a picture for fish angler? Let her go. So rude how I argue myself through. That was a nice rock bass. Yeah, it is really shallow over there. There's fish. Yeah, fly rods would actually work over here, so yeah, I'm gonna take one more cast and switch to a fly rod. Even though the whopper flopper's working, I wanna work on my fly fishing skills a little more. And the only fish I ever caught on fly rod are one little tiny bass and a bunch of bluefish. And a crappie and rock bass. Okay. Fly rod it is. I went up without falling down, so can I come down without falling down? That'd be nice to not break my neck. Alright, so I'm gonna tell you the story of this one. We went camping, which is normal. We always go camping. We go camping a lot, it's really fun. But I broke 9-foot rod, so I switched to using a fly rod, which is fine. As soon as I got the hang of that, I broke the tip of the fly rod on a dock. This was like after I caught a bunch of fish. So I broke the tip of the fly rod, so now I repaired it. But the last 2 holes are really missing to it. I'm not sure if that'll affect it at all, but and now the rod is shorter, of course. I think this is a 7-foot leader and tippet. It's like a all-in-one. It tapers. It's smaller and smaller. It goes probably from like 30 to like 4. 3. Yeah, it is harder because the rod is shorter and the tip isn't as like flimsy, but it works. Got one. Sunfish. Come on, son. Let's go. GoPro ain't dead yet. I mean, hey. A fish is a fish. I'll take it. First ever river fly fish. Yeah. Whoa. Get my picture for fish angler. Then let her go. It's a nice fish. So pretty. Probably can't hear a word I'm saying, but get back in there. Got one. What is this? It's another bluegill. No, it's a green sunfish. Beautiful green sunfish. They're stacked up over here. I knew it was the right move to come over here. Pop it right out. Already got my fish angler picture. That was a better one. There we go. Yes, sir. Nice little sunfish in the net. He spit the hook. Beautiful little sunfish.